Umuulan. It's raining.
It's raining one by one.
Yeah. Adelaide Airport just finished the shoot last night for Faith and Wesley, and there was a lot of celebrities there. We shot it at Africa venue. I was so tired. We did a lot of things. There's a lot of things, and yeah, it was fun. But right now we're heading to Sydney because the thing is, yeah, we have a wedding in Sydney. I'm gonna try to. Yeah. And boss, saan kayo?
Sa ano boss? Sa
What do you do for a living? Di ba absent ka ngayon? You're absent today. Got in here at Adelaide check-in, and yeah, they had to check my bag because I had camera gears, and it's my first time to try this out. People are like checking your bags again when you have just camera gears, and I've been to airport a lot of times, but yeah, they had to open it, and there goes the on also. Yeah. Sydney. Bagal lang kasama ko sa likod. Boss, okay lang? Heading to Sydney for another wedding. Let's go. Ay, ito yung room. Ganda ng bed, double. Ay.
Happy anniversary, boss.
Ay. Second wedding for today. We're in Sydney and we're shooting early now. We'll end up around 5 and we're gonna go back home to Melbourne. Oh man, thanks for the great night. Yeah, it was a rough night, yeah? Yeah, thanks. So, do I call you?
Huh?
Do I call you?
No, don't call.
Okay. Yep. Yeah. It was a nice weekend, man.
Nice.
Yeah, nice weekend.
Nice.
You did good.
Nice, friend.
So done with this weekend shoot. Been to Adelaide, been to here in Sydney, and we're heading back to Melbourne now. So it's getting windy. Let's go here. So yeah, we're heading to Melbourne right now. Just finished the shoot here in Sydney, and yeah. Okay. Tapos na ang saya. Balik sa problema. Yep, back in Melbourne. Right on time. Did film a lot, so I'll just fill in with some narrations and everything.